Summer is here. And with it comes the scorching heat. But don't let the hot weather slow you down. Today, we are diving into delicious and healthy foods that are perfect for the summer season. These powerhouses will keep you hydrated, energized, and feeling your best all summer long. Watermelon. This juicy giant is over 90% water, making it a fantastic way to stay hydrated. It's also packed with vitamins A and C, keeping your skin healthy and glowing. Cantaloupe. Another refreshing option, cantaloupe is full of water and electrolytes to replenish you after a hot day. It's also a good source of potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure. Berries, bursting with antioxidants and vitamin C, berries are a delicious and healthy way to stay cool. Choose from strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, or blackberries, all are fantastic picks. For detailed videos on each, check out the links in the description below. In the next video, we'll discuss how to keep your energy levels up during the summer heat. Stay tuned.